Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. So today my group will present about the Sustainable Development Goals for the WAN Technology case study assignment. Alright, now we move to our agenda for this video, which is first, aim and objective, second, problem statement, third, task 1, fourth, task 2, fifth, task 3, and the last one is the conclusion.
So for our aims and objective, first, to achieve the goals of the Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs), do research related to network glitch and the use of necessary network monitoring tools and software to prevent it. Third, examine methods to apply to measure the qualities of service (QoS). And the last one is for analysis Cisco 6 pillars of Internet of Things (IoT). So, for the problem statement, based on the scenario and case study given, the Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs) are intended to be universal in the sense of embodying a university shared common global vision of progress towards safe, justice, and sustainable space for all human beings to thrive on the planet. They reflect the moral principles that no one and no country should be left behind, and that everyone and every country should be regarded as having a common responsibility for playing their part in delivering the global vision. In general terms, all the goals have therefore been conceived as employing both of ambitions and as challenges to all countries. All the goals and targets contain important message and challenge for developed and developing countries alike.
For the task 1, we suggested 5 types of network monitoring tools to be applied. First is SolarWind Network Performance Monitoring. This tool will allow to track the performance of the network. Second is ManageEngine OP Manager, which will continuously monitor the performance of the network device. Third, DataDot Network Monitoring. This will monitor solutions that analyze network traffic flows in the cloud. Fourth are Avid. Avid is a cloud-based and contains a variety of system management features. Last but not least are SITE's 24x7 network monitoring. It will automatically discover all the network that connected to the device. Let us move on to the first network monitoring tools, which are SolarWind Network Performance Monitor. It has a lot of features. For example, it can quickly detect, diagnose, and resolve the network performance issues and reducing the network. By easily view IPv4 and IPv6 address, it may flow the records and immediately show alerts if there is any change in the application traffic activities. The pro if you use this are: first, easy to use; second, flexibility to deployment; third, can create customized network traffic report, and it can easily increase security by having visibility into malicious, but it does not have a strong integrity with third-party product. Next is Avid. Avid can run on Windows Server and Ubuntu Linux. It also provides monitoring tools that provide a dashboard that display all your activity. The pros is it can support both Windows Server and Ubuntu Linux. It also collects the data in real time. It automatically backups all the activities which can be accessed in the future. We can easily access it from everywhere via any standard web browser. It also includes configuration management, and it gives unlimited number of endpoints. The con is it is not compatible with any other Avid models, not path capacity analysis across link. The third one is ManageEngine OP Manager. It allows students to monitor multi-vendor network device performance and utilize the network mapping tools to automatically discover and map additional devices for improved visibility. It also delivers email and SMS notification to keep you up to date. The pros of using this: it is intelligent alerting, is used over a bigger network to decrease false positive and eliminate alert fatigue. It also multiple alerting channels are supported, including emails and webhook. It is over 200 customizable widgets, allow you to create customized dashboard and report straight away immediately. And the cons of using this, it is feature-rich tool that will require a time investment to learn properly.
Site 24x7 is a cloud-based network monitoring platform for IT infrastructure, applications and user activity. The network monitoring part of the utility can automatically discover all network connected devices. It features have a real application and network device monitor, and its network monitoring solution is SNMP based. It contains both actual user monitoring for analyzing typical buyer journeys and synthetic online transaction tracking for simulating website access. Some of the benefit is it has a mobile version supported by Android and iOS. It also network monitoring is done 24/7. It supports over 450 vendors like Canon, HP, Cisco, D-Link, Dell. Uses real-time data to discover devices, and it also user-friendly network monitoring tool. Some of the disadvantage it has many features, making it time captivating to understand it fully. The fifth suggestion is DataDot network monitoring. DataDot network performance monitoring is a SaaS infrastructure monitoring solution that analyzes network traffic flows in the cloud. It is accompanied by a network device monitoring service which monitors the status of each network device such as switches, routers and appliances. It features as combined network monitoring efforts for several sites as well as cloud resources. Its alerting mechanism may be enhanced to create an alert whenever any of the metrics gathered by the system exceeds a predefined threshold. It proceeds instantly create and customize the graph, metrics and alerts. Its interface is intuitive. 5,100 vendor back integrations, and it shows all the changes made in the network in near real time. The auto discovery builds a network of topology maps. Its disadvantage is it doesn't automatically include net flow data. In conclusion, it may also identify data flow within a virtualization system and perform container activity monitoring. The program also supports cloud services, displaying traffic in and out of each of your cloud-based accounts.
After all network monitoring tools that we suggested, we would like to choose SolarWing. It is because it provides comprehensive monitoring and usage of email notification make it simple to track. It also arranges our data in way that exists, and all the students or employees can immediately detect network bottleneck issue.
In task 2, we are assigned to find methods on how to measure the quality of service on online learning. Quality of service is referred to as the use of procedures or technologies on a network to manage traffic and ensure the performance of key applications with limited network capacity. So we have come out with 3 methods in order to fulfill this. The first one is in-app feedback. In-app feedback is used to track the application's performance tracking. This method is used by most of the software or applications developer to track the application's performance tracking. By doing so, they can easily track if there are any issues arise during the use of the applications. The second one is help developers to come up with some updates. As users giving the feedback will help developers to come up with some updates according to the problem stated by the users. Also, this can be called as the maintenance to the applications so that it always be up to date in order to deliver an excellent quality to the users. The second one is individual cost evaluation. This method is usually used in some institutes to maintain the enhancements of staff development and student learning. This evaluation is to evaluate the quality of the lecturer's way of teaching and how the students experience in learning during the online classes. By doing this, not only a good quality of online learning they will have, but the lecturers also can improve the way they are teaching their students and the materials used in classes. The third method is learning material. Commonly use of materials during online classes is usually uploaded in the platform that the institute use. This will consume a lot of mobile data, and to avoid any latency delay or jitter during the lesson, we would highly recommend for the educators to change their learning material into videos and enable the videos to be easily streamed online like the YouTube video. This will not only solve the problems of what the students face, it also eases the progress of online learning. In conclusion, there are many ways we can figure out how to turn online learning into an learning environment with a great quality of service. This method might be one of the best methods to achieve the goals of sustainable development goals.
So, the most suitable Cisco IoT system among the 6 pillars is fog computing. The crucial advantage of the fog paradigm for this application is that it allows processing at the network edge closer to end user and IoT devices. This is because using fog computing is the volume of data sent to the cloud can be reduced. In addition, the use of bandwidth and associated costs can also be reduced. As the initial data processing takes place near the data, latency is reduced and the overall response is enhanced. The goal is to provide millisecond level responsiveness, allowing data to be processed in almost real time. Furthermore, fog computing can be used as an efficient framework to estimate, delay, and improve the system energy efficiency in sustainable smart cities. By using this fog computing, the social, economic, and environment development will growing rapidly without any issues.
So, in conclusion, we are able to understand the goals and how to achieve the sustainable development goals and learn how to prevent the problems related to network glitch and internet connection. We also be able to understand how SDGs are important in our future. That's all from us. Thank you.
Created using Powtoon.